Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app, a simple and secure way to protect your online account with two-factor authentication. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or internet and open your Play Store and simply download the Microsoft Authenticator app. This is the application and simply open it. As you can see, I have already downloaded the application. Now I will simply open the application. I'll confirm the identity. After opening it, you'll see this kind of interface. Sign in with your Microsoft account to enable backup and sync features. To add new account, tap the plus button in the top. Simply click here and you can add personal account or work or school account or other account, Google or Facebook. I have this school account, as you can see. Scan the QR code. As you can see, you can scan the QR from here. The app will generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on the website to verify. Enable your backup and sync feature by clicking here and go to the three dot icon and simply click on settings. You can simply turn on your cloud backup and app lock, pin capture and many more options are here. You can simply change your password here and update your security info. As you can see, one-time password code is provided here. Or you can simply, to remove this account, you can simply go to the setting option and remove it. Next time you log in, open the app and enter the current code to confirm it's you. And that's how easy it is to use Microsoft Authenticator to keep your account safe. This help, give it a thumbs up and like a video for more tech tips, and see you on the next one.